sa malawak na kinikilalang indie na mga pelikulang Daybreak, 2008, Service, 2008, Kinatay, 2009, at J, 2008. Para sa kanyang pagganap bilang Edward Navarro para sa huli, nanalo siya ng 3 Best Supporting Actor sa Gawad Urian, Golden Screen at Gawad Genio Awards. Breaking into the mainstream, he gained further recognition for his roles in television shows such as Tayong Dalawa, 2009, Kung Tayo'y Magkakalayo, 2010, Minsan Lang Kita Iibigin, 2011, Walang Hanggan, 2012, Juan de la Cruz, 2013, Ikaw Lamang, 2014, and reached superstardom status in the longest-running drama series on Philippine television, FPJ's Letter, Ang Probinsyano, 2015, and FPJ's Letter, Batang Quiapo, 2023. Madalas na inilarawan bilang ultimate superstar, siya ay pinangalan ng Actor of the Decade